Hello student, today we learn next point. See on page number 22, the extent of the difference in the air pressure affects the velocity of the wind. Velocity of wind depends upon the difference in the air pressure. We know that from high to low pressure winds can move. Okay, if there is less difference in the pressure, winds blow with less velocity. It is obviously we all know. And winds blow with greater velocities if the pressure difference is greater. And wind speed also varies. Wind's velocity is measured in the units of knots or kilometers per hour. Okay. See, give it a try. Write the change the direction of the wind in the table below. See pressure belt given northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere shown here. And here again mid latitude and poles. See here uh, when we consider the earth as a whole, we find the direction of the winds is influenced by the rotation of the earth. Obviously, in the northern hemisphere, winds get deflected towards the right of their original direction, whereas in the southern hemisphere, they get deflected towards the left of their original direction. And see in figure 5.2, see here shown the change the direction of rotation. See, direction changes here on the 60 degree, on the 30 degree, high pressure, low pressure, and here given directions. Okay, student. So direction has been shown by curved arrows in the figure, and the rotation from west to east causes this change in the original direction of the winds. See then again observe picture or figure 5.3 and answer. Which are the winds in the northern hemisphere that blow from the mid-latitudinal high pressure belt to equatorial low pressure belt? See here. And see next question, what is the direction of the westerlies in the southern hemisphere? Okay, observe this figure and you try give answers to this yourself and find out the answers. And next, which planetary winds blow from the mid latitudinal high pressure belts to the subpolar low pressure belts in the northern hemisphere? And why is the direction of polar winds not the same in both the hemisphere? See, why not? Because their pressures varies. Okay, then name the winds that blow in the southern hemisphere. Yes, southern hemisphere, which are the winds. There are also different names, polar winds. And in which direction do the easterlies blow in the northern and southern hemisphere? In which direction? Yes, direction also here changes, and as this way you find by seeing or by observing this figure. And then winds are known by the direction from which they blow. Winds given name according to from the direction which they flow. For example, westerlies are winds that blow from the west. Then the direction of blowing, the duration, the regions covered, and the conditions of the air determine the following wind types. There are so many wind types, and wind types according to the how they flow. That is means from the direction they give different names. Okay, student. So we will stop here.